Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 25th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the euro dollar has a big old gap that it still has unfilled. Now this move up to me is looking pretty impulsive. It's definitely looking like a five-wave move. Some of the other dollar pairs have broken structure, so if this does go up and break structure, I definitely will become a buyer long term. It kind of almost seems like this could be either wave 1 or wave A, and maybe this even could end up drifting up and making a 1, 2, 3, and eventually coming up here and breaking structure. For me personally, the trend is definitely down until we have that break of structure. So if you do decide to go long, just make sure that it's kind of like a scalp or a day trade. Otherwise, if you do end up getting three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level, something like this, 78% or something with a nice engulfing move down, I definitely would take it as another short if the opportunity comes. If it does go up and break structure, I'll just keep on looking for longs. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.